Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Bondi Boost Spray is probably one of the most talked about hair products right now, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into this hair-loving spray, exploring its benefits, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. I've been testing it out for weeks, and I'm excited to share my honest thoughts, covering everything from its application to the results I've experienced. Get ready to find out if this is the hair game changer you've been searching for. Number 5. Boldify Hair Thickening Spray. Want instant volume and enhanced thickness? Apply this spray to damp hair and dry. It's easy to use and provides a layered, textured finish with a light hold that lasts all day. Unlike some products, this super lightweight formula won't leave a sticky residue. It won't weigh down your hair, and it washes out easily. It's perfect for fine hair. This product is proudly made in the USA without harmful chemicals and never tested on animals. You'll see thicker hair and a fuller finish, or you'll get a refund. No questions asked. This volumizing spray is perfect for use as a pre-styler. It gives a light hold, natural definition, and an effortless finish. It's versatile enough for all hair types and lengths. Packed with minerals and nutrients, this thickening tonic absorbs excess oil and moisture. It's one of the best products for healthy hair and a clean scalp. What we like? This spray provides instant volume in just 60 seconds. Its unique non-sticky formula ensures your hair doesn't get weighed down. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to add volume and texture without any residue, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Bondi Boost Intensive Spray is a great product for hair growth. It has helped with hair growth and thickness. The product is easy to use and has a pleasant scent. Number 4. Nioxin Density Defend Root Lifting Spray. This hair thickening spray helps you achieve increased volume. It makes your hair look fuller than before. The spray makes hair styling more manageable. It gives your hair more grip so you can style it easily. It adds texture and boosts body from roots to ends. This helps you achieve fuller looking styles. The spray holds all day and keeps frizz away. It's made with peppermint oil and wild mint leaf oils. It increases hair volume, creating a fuller look. This spray is suitable for all hair types. This thickening spray helps increase hair diameter. It also protects the density of your hair. What we like? This spray adds texture and boosts body from the roots. Infused with peppermint oil, it keeps your style in place all day. If you need a product that provides hold while keeping your hair fresh and voluminous, this is the one. What people say. Bondi Boost Intensive Spray is a great product for hair growth. It has helped with hair growth and thickness. The product is easy to use and has a pleasant scent. Number 3. VEGAMOUR Gero Hair Serum. Are you experiencing hair thinning or shedding? This serum is designed to help. It can give you thicker, fuller-looking hair. With consistent use, you could see results in as little as 90 days. It's a simple way to boost your hair's appearance. Worried about greasy residue? This serum has a non-oily formula. It absorbs quickly and leaves your hair feeling fresh. Enjoy the refreshing scent of bergamot. The product provides a pleasant experience while you care for your hair. This product is both vegan and cruelty-free. You can feel good about using it, knowing it aligns with your values. What we like? This serum promises thicker, fuller-looking hair in as soon as 90 days. The non-oily formula and bergamot scent make it a pleasure to use. If you are looking for a vegan and cruelty-free option to combat thinning hair, this is the product for you. What people say. I've waited a while to write a review on this product, to give it sufficient time. I have had this on auto delivery for over a year now, and can say that it has greatly helped with my hair loss, especially around my temples. I have definitely seen hair growth, baby hair, you have to be consistent with it. Later I did stop because I would be tired and got lazy, but then I had seen that the baby hair that had grown were falling. And I want to tell you that you brush your teeth every day, so this is something you will need to stay consistent with, just like our skin care. I am right back on track to doing it again consistently because I have seen a big difference in my hair fall, which has reduced tremendously. Amazing product, my hair improved within 1 week usage. Number 2. Keranique Lift and Repair Treatment Spray. This Keranique spray is designed for multiple uses, including blow drying, setting, and heat protection. It adds volume and control to your hair, making it the perfect finishing touch for any style. Transform your hair from dull and flat to thick and full. Spray this product at the roots for an instant lift and support. For extra volume, apply it during your blow dry. Enriched with keratin amino complex, this spray replenishes natural keratin fibers. It helps protect the cuticle and thickens each strand, giving your hair a healthier look. The formula is free of sulfates and parabens. With just one application, it can mend up to 96% of split ends, leaving your hair feeling revitalized. Simply spray this treatment onto the roots of your hair before or after styling. Distribute it evenly throughout your hair, from root to ends, using your fingers. What we like. This spray is a multi-purpose product for blow drying, holding, and heat protection. It instantly adds volume, lift, and body to your hair. If you like a product that can do it all, from styling to protecting your hair, you should consider this. What people say. Bondi Boost Intensive Spray is a great product for hair growth. It has helped with hair growth and thickness. It has made my hair grow faster. Number 1. Keranique Follicle Booster Spray. Are you looking for thicker, fuller hair? This follicle booster serum is designed to help. It revitalizes hair follicles with cutting-edge ingredients. This serum nourishes follicles and conditions both hair and scalp. It creates the foundation for fuller and thicker hair growth, right from the start. Don't just take our word for it. Evidence shows that 100% of women agreed it helped strengthen their hair. Also, 86% agreed it helped their hair look fuller. The serum features a proprietary formula. It helps moisturize, strengthen, and thicken weakened hair. The result is a shinier, more invigorated look. Join a community of over 2 million women worldwide. Let this product offer serious solutions and real results. Reclaim your radiance and confidence with it. What we like. This serum targets thinning at the root, revitalizing hair follicles. It helps to strengthen your hair, leading to fuller density. If you are looking to address thinning hair and promote thicker growth, this is the product for you. What people say. Bondi Boost Intensive Spray is a great product for hair growth. It has helped with hair growth and thickness. The product is easy to use and has a pleasant scent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.